Enkosi kakhulu ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha eSABC lihaye njengoba ikomishoni yophando lwezityholo ezenziwe nguNjengele uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi iqala namhlanje umbutho wezopolitiko iRise Mzansi uyamkele ngezandla ezishushu lekomishoni lo mbutho ukhankanyile ukuba mhlawumbi bangakho abo bangazama ukuphazamisa nale komishoni lonto iyabonakalisa ukuba lowo wenza njalo unqinelana nokusilela kwezomthetho kweli kanti ke mbukela ukuxovula banzi lomba sina ngalentsasa ulilungu leParlamente kwiRise Mzansi umnumzana uMakashule Gana mnumzana uGana masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho sikubulise sikwamkele apha eSABC lihaye
siyabulela Kholosa sithimolo kuwe
Enkosi kakhulu
nabamameli Enkosi
sibambe ngazibini namhlanje ke mnumzana iyaqala ikomishoni kwaye ke ningumbutho niyakholelwa ukuba bangakhona abanokufuna ukuphazamisa lo msebenzi kutheni nicinga njalo nje
So thina as iRise Mzansi siyamkela ukuthi no i-commission iyaqala namhlanje ngoba kudala silinde ukuthi no i-commission iqale because lama allegations aphuma ku General Mkhwanazi are serious kakhulu. So it was important, that's why even from the time that General Mkhwanazi raised these allegations besithi thina as iRise Mzansi kubalulekile ukuthi no kube ne-commission of inquiry ezobheka zonke lezi allegations because if you have the police that are captured but also you know criminal justice system it's also involved to know we have a problem. I'd also said good to know ngay 4th July before General Mkhwanazi have a media conference when to know these fights as is kumaponi has got very little to do with protecting South Africans. But it has everything to do to know abantu basifunela imali from a police service. That's why we are so happy that this commission is starting. And then if there are people that I've heard that if court, the commission must not go ahead. We don't support such kind of a thing. We want this commission to start, and we are looking forward to see if we go General Mkhwanazi namhlanje. To know what substance, because there's a difference between making a statement in a press conference and then making the allegations under oath.
Kwi-statement senu niyatsho into yokubana ingathi ukhangeleka kukhona abantu abazawuthi badilele commission kuba bene-vested interest zeziphi ezi interest nithetha ngazo?
So the important thing, ama-interest even from the allegations that were said around political interference and so forth, there will be people considering that at the center, Yama allegations is the political killings task team. So there will be people that are interested. But Tina, as iRise Mzansi, funa ukuthi no le commission funeka ifikelele kakhulu kundaba ye-crime intelligence. Because for too long, crime intelligence kunama allegations yakuthi hey le mali ye-slush fund iyahamba man. Abantu bayita le mali. So it's important that the commission must get into those issues because even Masbuzo, Minister Kachalia, Parliament, sithi no, sifuna ukwazi ukuthi no, head ye crime intelligence, nama generals ye crime intelligence. What are the circumstances that led to their arrest? Minister athi no, ngeke asiphendule. Kumbuzo esumbuza yona eParliament. So it's not time to know. Makafika ku commission yamadlanga uzokwazi ukuphendula because as abantu silinde kakhulu ukuthi no sizwe ukuthi no le crime intelligence ihamba njani abantu bayisebenzisa kanjani ne political killings task team ihamba kanjani.
Sakhe sambona mhlekazi wami uMkhwanazi ichaphazela into enje kwiParlamente ayanikwa ngqalelo waze wandula ethetha nonondaba apho sabona lento into yokubana naku ngoku seyisasazeka igqabhuka silapha ngoku namhlanje mhlawumbi ithetha ntoni yonke lonto.
Ithetha ukuthi no these things are not new. They've been around. They've always been all these allegations. Because there are factions or there are groupings within the police service. Some they are alleged that abanye basebenza nama criminals. So it's important. That's why we have called for this a judicial commission to get to the bottom of these issues, because Dala, for a long time inside the police, they've always been between different sections of the police. So we are happy that the commission is starting.
Ndifuna ndize ke ngoku apha kumphathiswa obambeleyo yena kaloku uKhachalia eyona nto niyichaphazaleyo kukuba niyatsho into yokubana indaba ye-corruption within i-crime intelligence ingatsho into yokubana mhlawumbe ngubhubhane. Kutheni nje mhlawumbe kubonakala ngathi ayikho i-reform kwi-crime intelligence apha eMzantsi Afrika? Ungatsho ngelizwi eliphelileyo into yokubana mhlawumbe they are utterly failing?
So there's no doubt that the crime intelligence has not been performing level that we expect as abantu base South Africa. And we hope, remember, there was the panel on intelligence that was led by former Minister Sidney Mufamadi that made some findings to crime intelligence, but it looks like lama recommendations aphuma kule panel ya Sidney Mufamadi were not implemented because abantu babhizi basalwisana even nakwamanje. So sinathemba ukuthi no kule commission maybe finally so was good to know sense i-reform ye-crime intelligence, but also other sections, the detective unit and also the political task teams that are being established.
Siyaqonda nje ukubana unjengele uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi uza kuba seqongeni namhlanje. Mhlawumbe nicinga ukuba ikhona enye into engantsha engathi vele kuyi?
We expect that there will be more because the commission will not operate like journalists. They are going to probe and try to go deeper. So as they go deeper, there will be other revelations, especially the functionings of the political task team in KZN and how it links up with the Gauteng police, because it seems these issues they are connected between province as a KZN, but also the province as a Gauteng. So we expect to hear a lot more the involvement of Metro Police. The involvement of the judges, like who are the judges? Because you can't say that the judiciary is captured. We want to know who is this judge, who is this magistrate, who are these prosecutors that are protecting criminals? Because without names, it remains mere allegations. So we expect to hear some names, but also how the Metro Police, for instance, if you are in Johannesburg or you are in Ekurhuleni, how they got involved in these matters.
Siyaqonda into yobana kukhona izikhalazo kakhulu oluntwini uba mhlawumbe ingaba le komishoni izaba nalo na ifuthe. Siqonda into yokubana abantu bakhalazela into ezininzi zokuba xa kujongwa kwiikomishoni zangaphambili zadonsa kodwa zange kubonakale ifuthe elicacileyo. Ngapha kuchithwa imali ezinkulu kodwa cwaka into yokubana kubonwe imiphumela. Ucinga uba mhlawumbe le komishoni iza kuba nalo ifuthe njengokuba usitsho into yokubana bazawugrumba ngakumbi?
So the only way it can be effective is that as there are these allegations that are being made and so forth, the National Prosecuting Authority must not wait to know a commission must conclude. If there are allegations of criminality, then they need to act very quickly and ensure that they bring charges against those individuals. Because one of the weakness, for instance, ezimasibheke i-commission kaZondo ngathi i-NPA wethi no silinde ukuthi i-commission iphele even when there are allegations. So we and in the terms of reference umongameli Ramaphosa bakhombise ukuthi no, if there are allegations in between the work of the commission, don't wait until the commission has concluded. Please act on those allegations as quickly as possible.
Siyaqonda ubana le commission Mhlekazi wami izawuthatha isithuba esingangeenyanga ezintandathu. Xa sijonga iZondo Commission yona yathi kratya pha kwiminyaka emine. Ingaba mhlawumbe ubangaba kukhona ukusilela enizawuthi nikubone ningumbutho weRise Mzansi, zikhona mhlawumbe izinto enizawuthi nizenze ukuqubisana nalomkhwa?
So kuma terms of reference, but every 3 months the commission must produce an interim report. So kule interim report that will be submitted to the speaker, we are going to ensure that those recommendations are implemented. But also kune ad hoc committee parliament that can also take up some of the issues emanating from the commission so that we can quickly deal with this matter. Next year, this time, this commission should have concluded its work. We can't be talking about Madlanga Commission next year, September. It must have concluded, and the people that needs to be charged must be charged. Those that needs to be arrested must be arrested.
Enye into enibalulayo ni Rise Mzansi nitsho into kubana kukhona isiko elithe ukuxhaphaka apha emapoliseni nalapho kubonakala ingathi ngabantu ababaleka uxanduva. Kunjalo nje niyacaphula nisithi ninayo imizekelo ephilayo. Unganceda Mhlekazi wabelene nathi ngale mizekelo nithetha ngayo?
So the important thing, especially even in terms of the commission, and also how the police work, there are always these allegations, and when we are in parliament, must put the minister and other ministers sevenza njani at the station level, because some of the problem, that's why last week when we had the meeting, General Fanima Sumula ngimbuza ukuthi what are some of the protocols in terms of the relationship between a police station and private security companies, and it is becoming clear among Zama oversight there to know there's certain things that's happening that you have private security companies that have now taken over the responsibility of the police with the now the police station commanders are allowing them to do that. So these are the things that end up being a problem, and that's where it ties up with private individuals, criminals, and so forth. So one of the things that I expect to come from Kule Commission, it's also the involvement of private security companies, because some of them are operating in ways that they go beyond their scope, and there are police stations that allow them to do that. So that's what I'm expecting to hear. And as the evidence come, I'm kind of 60-70%, expecting there will be certain private security companies that will be mentioned as having been part of all these networks that are taking place in Gauteng and KZN.
That's probably one of the reasons why nisisho into yokubana i-SAPS it's captured and collapsed, because umntu akanokwazi into yokubana ashiye ngaphandle ordinary South African citizens into yokubana i-impact yayo yonke lento ithini kubo. Mhlekazi wami masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho sawuthi qolo sibane sibuyela kuni uqinisekisa into yokubana yonke into isahamba kakuhle. Enkosi kakhulu benosuku oluhle.